Over here, it's called Amico Car Wash in Shoreview, Minnesota. It takes about 5 minutes. They have a guy with a hose over there. He sprays the car, rinses it a little bit. And I got my man right there, just chilling. He had Taco Bell and a drink. All right, put the car on neutral, right there. And there's a belt that will pull the car forward. And that's Extreme. That's what I pay for every month. $30, $32. This is not touch free. You can see the things over there. You're gonna see different colors. There you go. Extreme. See a different color right there on the windshield. Comes from there. Got these things, they spin. That's how they wash it. They're loud. Sometimes they bend the mirrors. You can see a different color mix. One side is that pink or purple? He calls me colorblind. That's purple. It's back. You can see some green. Kind of satisfying. Car wash, drive-through. Just gonna put some wax. Almost done, then it's gonna dry it. There's a lot of soap over there in the back. It says free vacuums. The vacuums never work, so I don't use them. It's gonna blow dry it. That thing moving up there, 2 of them. Does a good job. I'll show you what the car looks like after cleaning. It's clean. That window. You can see my car looks clean.